Your cutter chain assembly is part 4-861. We also have a 25 pack of blades, which is your 4-822, and 10 pack of blades, which are your 4-821. Blades are also available individually. If you just want to buy a couple at a time, you can do that also. We're going to walk you through changing out your cutter chain assembly and how to install blades again. These are very simple, easy process. What happens is over time your spring can get weak. You can just change the spring out if you'd like. It's very simple, it comes right off, just detaches there. We're just going to show you how to change the whole assembly.
And again, like Robby said, you may find your tape's not advancing properly, and that spring may get weak over time. It certainly takes a long period of time. The convenient thing about this kit is it is a full assembly, so it makes it a far, far quicker change out.
We move on to changing this whole assembly. You got a little cotter pin over here. So grab it, pull it right out. Remove that so it doesn't fall to the ground. Pull out from over here. Remove your wing nut. Okay. I'm going to show you how to put the blade in. All you do is loosen the top screw right there, so you can get it in between the track there. Slide your blade in. Tighten the screw up. And you want to make sure that you're flush here. You don't want this block sitting out at an angle, or else it will drag on the cutter track as you're pulling it through cutting. Just remove the wing nut. Take one of the two brass washers off. Slide it on there. Put that other brass washer on the back. Put your wing nut on. You don't want to tighten it all the way up yet. And slide your chain down through the track till it feeds out the other side. Slide your tube up there. Make sure the hole lines up. You got this hole right here. You need to make sure it lines up with the hole here. Take your pair of pliers. Bend each side. And then squeeze them in. Come back over here to this side. Pull your spring all the way down into this notch over here. And tighten your wing nut.